Setting up a private proxy server on Linux doesn't have to be a manual headache. Today, I'll show you how to deploy your own SOCKS5 and HTTP proxy in just a few minutes. We're using MakeProxies to skip the complex terminal configurations. It acts as a toolbox to automate the server build on your own cloud servers. First, you'll need a cloud provider. You can use AWS, DigitalOcean, Vultr, or Linode. This gives you a dedicated IPv4 address and ensures your proxy stays online 24/7. Head to the Accounts tab, give it a nickname, select your provider, and follow the quick API instructions to link your cloud account. This is a one-time step. Now for the setup. Navigate to Proxies and hit Create Proxy. This is where you customize your location. You can choose any global zone, perfect if you specifically need a US proxy server or an EU-based IP. Select your preferred cloud region from the dropdown. Once you hit Submit, the system automatically scripts the Linux proxy environment. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to finish the backend installation. And we're live. You now have a fully functional Linux proxy server. You can connect via SOCKS5 or HTTP protocols using the credentials provided here. That's the fastest way to get a clean, private proxy up and running. If you ran into any issues with your cloud API or connection, drop a comment below and I'll help you out.